Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. And what you just saw was the Ender 2 printer. And at this moment, this Ender 2 printer is printing NGEN FLEX. And NGEN FLEX is a flex material that is very nice to work with because you can print it on an 80 degrees heated bed with 240 degrees at the nozzle. So it's a very easy material to print, but also it is just strong enough to be printed by a Bowden tube printer. So as you can see over here, this printer is a Bowden tube printer, and well, you can see that at the bottom it lifts just a little, and it's not enough lift to completely separate it from the bed, but yeah, it just works. So at this moment I'm very happy because this is a printer that can do flexible filament. And I've also been testing with the Ender 2 now with PLA filament, of course. And I've also been testing it with PETG filament, and that works also. So yeah, for now there is a big review coming of the Ender 2 printer. But for now I can say that it's a very nice printer to work with, that can do flexible filaments, that can do normal filaments, PLA, PETG, and well, it's just a great printer. And that for only 140 euros. So I'm really, yeah, I'm thankful because this printer was bought from the donations that I received on my channel. And from the money that was earned by affiliate links that I use for the printers that I get from GearBest. So, well, this money was all brought together through you, my subscribers, my viewers, and I thank you for that, because this is really a very nice printer, and well, I can watch it for hours. Isn't it nice? So, thanks for watching, and well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing all kinds of live videos and build videos and videos about how you create things in Fusion 360 and that kind of thing, so please subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell button, because if you don't hit the bell button, then you won't be notified every time I make a new video. And if you want to support this channel, well, there are a few links in the description down below where you can find how to support me. You can buy me a cup of coffee, or you can become a Patreon supporter. There are lots of ways to support me. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.